So you're a trader, and all you basically do is jump on the chart, draw lines, and look for where to enter trades to make profit. That's fine, it's good. But if you keep at this, you might end up like one of those who say trading is a scam. And I'll tell you this for free. Everything will seem like a scam if you do not have a plan on ground. I mean a proper plan of whatever it is you want to delve into. I am Ekene Matthew. This is Martel Trades, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how you can be journaling your trades as a trader, whether you're just starting out or you've been in the industry for a while but you haven't been practicing this. This is very crucial for every trader to be journaling their trades, unless you're in this for a short period of time. But if you're in this and you want to do this as a business, then it is very encouraging to journal your trades. So without wasting any much time, we'll be going into the video, but before then, do well to subscribe, hit the like button, and to share these videos to others. So let's get started. All right, now, so before we begin, I would like to let you know that there are two tools you can use for this, right? You can either use Google Sheets or Notion, either of the two. But currently, I'm using Notion because Notion is a lifesaver. All right, you can have everything right there in Notion. So first of all, I'll just show you that of Google Sheet. So if you're using Windows, just simply go to your Chrome right here and click on this. You see Google Sheet. Scroll down. Right here you can see doc, sheet, and all that, so you choose sheet, or probably you can also use Microsoft Excel if that is fine for you. But the reason why I would go with sheet is because you can access it from anywhere, okay, whether on your phone or on another system, because it's it's a cloud thing. Okay, the same thing with Notion. Notion is online, so you can access it from anywhere. You can download your app and access everything you need. So you can also use it for your journaling. You can use it for your trading plan, for whatever personal development you might be undergoing, and so on. So right here you can see this was how I started. You can see my trading strategy back test. This strategy is long gone. Like you can see 18 June, since June. So this was a challenge I wanted to do. Okay, this is not why we're here. We're here for this. So I got my template here. So you can see this was how I started first. This is where you impute your asset and say, like maybe I'm entering a trade of GBP USD. So I just impute it with my entry date. I do that entry time, duration it took to take the trade. My position, is it long or short? Long, did I win? Yeah, maybe it was a loss. And pips won, pips lost, closed P and L, strategy use, and then put comments. Was there something I learned from it? Yeah. Then I take the screenshot of the trade, whether before and after, right? Or you do either of them. Either way that seems best for you, you do that. So I discovered Notion, although I've known Notion for a very long time now, but I then discovered that Notion was even way better when you're using it for stuff like this. So that's just it with Sheet. So we can then head over to Notion. I already have that here, and that's saved here, so I can just easily access it from anywhere. But let's just go over to the website notion.so. You can see it's already suggesting it to me. So the web URL is notion.so. All right, so once you click on that, just go to the site. So you can see there's really a lot of things you can do with Notion. If you do not have an account, all you just simply do is okay, let me see if I can sign up. uh Log out. Let me log out and show you how you can do that. So all you just need to do is to come here and get Notion for free. But I already have an account, so I'll just ask for my email address. Once I enter my email address, I'll be sent a code, a login code. So you can sign in using any of this method, and also this method you can change your sign-in method once you have an account. Okay, so I'll just come here and just simply click on enter my email address and send. I'll be sent a code. Okay, I'll be sent a login code. The code is temporary. It's a temporary code that will be sent to you, so within a specific period of time, you can no longer use it. You have to request for another one. So once you've signed in, you be brought here and you start to set up your workspace. There's nothing really add to it. I just want to show you. I won't be doing this. Is not a tutorial on how to use Notion. I just want to show you how you can use it to create your journal, how you can use it for your journaling. All right, so maybe in another video I'll be doing a full tutorial on how to use Notion, but for now all you just simply need to do is to probably just come to your private, and you see this add here. Okay, right on this sidebar you see add. Okay, under this private, just before you, once you highlight, take your mouse, your cursor to this point, you see add. So right here you can add whatever it is you want to add. So at this point, what we want to do right now is trading journal. So we just come add trading journal, or probably just make it personal, like my trading journal. Okay, so once you've done that, you see it would appear here. You can see right here. So once we've created this page, because they are called pages, so once we've created this page, all you then need to do is to come here. What we need is to have it in a tabular form. All right, because not as plain as this. All right, so we come here, right under here, see these three dots, click on it, then you see table. All right, you see table, because these are the options they give you. Get started with ask AI, or brainstorm ideas, draft an outline, or templates. If you have templates, you can check them here. Then you can just click on these three dots. Either you want a to-do list, or you want a weekly plan, or whatever it is you want to do. So right now we come to table, we choose table. So now you can see that we have it in a tabular form. So we can then go ahead and give the headings that we need. So right now this one, we can just have it as our asset. Let's come to this place, so you can see. Okay, then we come to edit property here. So you can see this is where you have to then select the type of column you want this one to be. All right, so whether it's a text column, because once you use this, you can use anything, you can type in anything here, numbers, letters, commas, and the rest of them. But if you're using just numbers, it means you can't enter any alphabet. You can see you can't enter, it goes away, so it has to be strictly numbers. You can see. So For this guy now, we can then use this one as we can give this one say uh, entry date, and type. We go down, select, we look for calendar, I guess. Where is it? Where is it? Date, yes. So change it as date. Right here, you can then select, and you select the date. It's always show the current date anyway. So you can also include time and time of entry and all that. So then adjust this, then come here, add another one, add the name, probably exit date, enter, then select the type, the same thing, we choose date. Okay, then come here, add another one, probably here we can have current price, enter. So for this one, you choose number. Okay, then on that number, you then select the format, whether it's you want it to be in just ordinary numbers, or you want number with commas or percentage, or in US dollars or any other currency. So for this one, it's definitely going to be currency. Maybe you're even using euro, you can make it euro, but generally you can just go for with US dollar. Okay, then probably the next one, you might just want maybe lot size, you know. And this one, since enter, for this one, since it will require you using double column and or something of that sort, you might just use text for this one. All right, just leave this one as text. Also, you can choose to, you see all of these icons by their side, you can also change them if you want to. Maybe like this current price now, you can come here, you can see just right beside it, you can come select it and look for dollar or something. Okay, maybe use currency cash, put this one, and maybe this one. Okay, this one already has calendar kind of stuff on it. So that's just basically it. It's just that simple, and you keep on adding whatever it is you want to add to it. All right, so here we can just make this one, maybe we just enter the trade, you can just go GBP USD and enter, boom, and you impute every other thing, your lot size, your stop loss, long or short position, or whatever it is you feel you need to include in it. All right, then one other feature that I can find useful is opening side peak. Just right under this column, just come here, right beside, if you hover over it, you see it will appear. So open inside peak. So once you do that, this is what you have. So you can also expand it if you want, make it full screen, or just go back. All right, so either way, so it is either you impute your data like this, you add, or you want to add like this, like you want to add another property, you just enter and all that. Okay, let's just say these are the ones I've already, these suggestions are coming from my trading journals, so you can just include trade type, trade type, you enter, so you can see it has appeared. Once you type in, you press enter, so it just comes in. So now for something like this, it depends on you. If you wish, you can make it a drop down. All right, like this. I use select for it. You don't use multi-select. When you use multi-select, it means that you can choose more than one option. So you just choose select. So once you choose select, what option, once you click on it, so you have the two options. All right, you have the two options selected. So let's go back and edit that so you can see. So we come down here, you can see add an option. This is where you can impute whatever it is you want. Let's say long. Here we have for long. Then you can change the color by clicking on it. You click on the long. All right, click on the long, then choose any color you wish. So let's just say we can use green for this. All right, then add another option. Click on this plus sign and you type your short. All right, then you can change the color. Click on the short, click on it, then choose red. All right, so once you then go back there, once you go back there, click on this empty space, you see that it will bring out the options you've chosen. So we went long. So you can also use the same option for, say, either your trade is a win or a loss. That is your trade outcome. Okay, you can use the same option with this. So that's practically it. So one more thing before I end this video. So you can, at the end of probably maybe a week or a month, after gathering all your wins and all that under price, you can then come here. You can see when you click on this place, you see calculate, and come here. Okay, let's just say we added another option, and maybe the option is say win our end closing price. All right, or let's even say profit. Let's say our profit. Then profit is definitely going to be number. Then select number type. We use US dollar. All right, so let's just say our first trade we got like $20. Then the second trade we got maybe minus $5. Then third trade we were able to get like 30 $30 profit. Then maybe, okay, we keep on adding. All right, keep on adding. Then maybe fourth trade we got minus, or let's say 15 $16. Then if you want to add another row, you can just come here, click on new. You see, click on new to keep on adding. So let's say our fifth trade we got a minus $11. So maybe you want to know how you're doing. All right, you can just simply come here and calculate. Okay, whether in counts, values, you can see. Okay, let's go over it again. Under here, when you click on this, you see count, percentage, or more options. But the main thing that we should concern ourselves about is this more option. Just come here and choose on sum. All right, so here it will now give you the total amount that you've made. All right, to help you to calculate, okay, this plus this plus this plus this minus this and this. That is all your profits minus your loss. So if you check now, this 20 plus 30, then plus 16 minus this and this, minus this 5 and 11, you then realize that, okay, you made $50. So you see how helpful this can be. So you don't have to be racking your head of how much you're able to make. With this, you'll be able to calculate for yourself instantly the profits, whether you're in profit or you're in loss, or even break even. So that's just it. I hope this was very helpful to you. So go on and start journaling your trades. Take this very serious. Take this as a business. This is not a gambling scheme. You need to have your data so that every week, every month, you can be going back to your past trades, see what you're doing right and what you're not doing right, and see where you need to improve on. That is the help of these journals. Okay, so till my next video, I'll see you. Peace.